Hey guys, Saki here from SAKITECH, and Samsung has finally given us a glimpse of their foldable smartphone that we have been hearing about for a long time. So this wasn't a full product revelation, rather a sneak peek. They showed the actual foldable device, but the exterior design was hidden inside a black cover. Now all this happened in the Samsung developer event, so it wasn't a consumer keynote. So what I'm going to do is show you the full segment where they actually talk about the foldable smartphone, show it to us, show us the foldable display, as well as its ability to run 3 apps in multi-window mode simultaneously when it is unfolded. So watch this and enjoy, and of course drop your comments below about the future of smartphones and how you like this foldable design.
We've turned the industry upside down in the past, and we're about to do it again today. I'm so excited about our next breakthrough, the foldable display. And to tell you more about it, here's Justin Dennison.
It makes me proud when I think of all the industry-leading displays we've brought to market. Each one was an important improvement on what's come before and has helped people all around the world experience something entirely new. Well, today, we're taking our innovation in mobile to the next level, and I'm honored to share with you our vision for a new generation of smartphones. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you the future of mobile display technology, the Infinity Flex Display. And I'm sure you're all wondering what it looks like in real life and how it works. Well, want to know more? It's finally here. When it's open, it's a tablet, offering a big screen experience. Thank you. It's gorgeous. When closed, it's a phone that fits neatly inside your pocket. Thank you. Now, of course, I'd get in trouble if I showed you everything today, so we've disguised the elements of the design, but trust me, there's a device inside here, and it is stunning. The Infinity Flex Display represents an entirely new mobile platform. We've always strived to bring you meaningful breakthroughs, but despite all that progress, we've been living in a world where the size of your screen can only be as large as the device itself. Well, we've just added a new dimension to help you browse, watch, connect, and multitask like never before. The Infinity Flex Display is the foundation for the smartphone of tomorrow. To build it, we had to invent new materials, throw out old assumptions, and reimagine the display from the ground up. And at Samsung, when we say reimagine, we mean actually designing something new. We rethought the anatomy of a smartphone display, including the underlying display components, as well as the cover window, which is the top layer of solid glass. And, glass is the popular choice for the cover window because it protects the rest of the display and it looks beautiful. But it's inherently inflexible. So we had to replace it with something that has the same benefits yet achieve something new. We had to invent a new protective layer. In this case, an advanced composite polymer that's both flexible and tough. The next challenge we faced was that until now, displays have been static, meaning once we combined all the component layers, they never had to move. Now that's all changed, as the Infinity Flex Display has been designed to be folded and unfolded repeatedly without any degradation. To do this, we had to find a new kind of malleable adhesive that allows us to laminate the display layers together securely while enabling them to flex. Well, we did it, making this new display flexible and durable enough to be folded hundreds of thousands of times. Then, we hit our final and perhaps biggest challenge. Because for this display to be foldable, we had to make it thinner than any other mobile display we've ever made. In this case, we have the opportunity to reduce the thickness of the polarizer, which is an essential layer that filters external light, reducing glare so that you can read the display. And to solve this, we created a new polarizer that's 45% thinner. And we're not stopping there. Our innovation pipeline includes new technologies such as rollable and even stretchable displays. What you're seeing today is the result of the most talented engineers and designers in the world making incredible breakthroughs to create something amazing for you. And this isn't just a concept. The breakthroughs we've made in display materials have been matched by breakthroughs in manufacturing. As a result, we'll be ready to start mass production in the coming months. Thank you. Thank you. Infinity Flex represents the biggest leap forward in mobile display technology in the last decade. And what's even more exciting is how this technology will empower our developers and consumers to do amazing things. It's a blank canvas for us to create something beautiful together. And the Infinity Flex is more than a new kind of display. And together with One UI, it lays the foundation for a new platform, an entirely new mobile experience. One UI works through two displays. When the device is closed, you have all the benefits of a normal smartphone. The cover display is a fully functioning touchscreen that allows you to use your apps without opening the device. And if you want a bigger screen, you simply unfold it to reveal the full 7.3-inch display. And with app continuity, the app you were using when the device was closed is right there waiting for you when it's open. It's an intuitive, continuous experience between the cover display and the main display. In addition, we're giving people the ability to run up to 3 apps simultaneously. No swapping between apps, no closing one app to get to another, just multitasking as it was meant to be. We call it multi-active window. Thank you. You can see how One UI turns the foldable display into something of real value that's going to reinvent the mobile experience.